Alright guys, so we are here at the Republic of Motors car meet, Autumn Vibes, which is organised by our friends Bob Flavin and Jason McConnon. And it's autumn. I'm dressed like it's not autumn. So you're going to see this face for most of this vlog. So this is a car meet. It's kind of an impromptu one. It's a bit casual. We're going to take a little walk around, kind of look at some of the cool stuff that's here. Don't know what's here. So you're in for the ride with us.
A few moments later.
It suddenly got very, very, very cold and windy.
Pops and bangs. Unfortunately, the only pops and bangs we're getting that actually matter today are from the sky because it's absolutely miserable, it's raining. But Blaine did run around with the camera and get a bit of a montage so you guys can see the best of the stuff that was here a few minutes ago. Let's shoot that now. Alright guys, we wanted to film a lot more here, but the weather has just been absolutely
Yeah, I'm actually a perfect model for what has happened today.
yeah, miserable.
And typically, it's kind of stopped raining now, but everybody's left already.
What weather was I expecting? Like beach weather?
You wearing shorts.
Less to get wet. We're gonna head off guys, but brought the cars down, brought the PS and the Cayman down today. We had a great chat with everybody. Blaine got some cool footage. We were gonna do a little bit more of a walk around, but everybody's kind of leaving now because the weather's so miserable. Thank you to Bob and Jason. They were raising money today for the Jay and Ellie Foundation, which is a really, really good cause, which is obviously Jay, as you guys know, from Precision Tinted Graphics, is behind that charity organization for autism. So a great cause, awesome day. We wish we could have filmed more, but now we're gonna move on to something else. But we have got some drifting in this episode because our Drift Games experience cars are back and they're even better. So let's go check them out. What's up guys, I want to give a big thank you to one of our partners here at Drift Games, Strom Wheels. Now they make amazing wheels for BMWs and all sorts of European cars, but we love their drift range, which is a DS25, and this is a brand new one in gloss black. I think it looks amazing on my PS13. It's got a really aggressive concave on the front and back. It looks so aggressive on the car. We absolutely love it. Check out their website, grab yourself a set of these babies. They do great package deals for drifters, or if you just want to buy 4 for your road car, they're available right now. Alright guys, we're back in Mondello Park because we are making a video today about our Drift Games experience, which is where you guys get to come down and drive these 5 350Zs with us, and it's a lot of fun. So we've done some upgrades to the cars. We've put new liveries on them, which the guy in Precision Tinted Graphics did. They look fantastic, if I do say so myself. They look really, really cool. We went for like a cool, like kind of old school look for them, so they look great. Adam's warming one of the cars up now. Look how happy he is. Look how happy.
Smile.
You could be this happy. Look at his face. Do we need to sell this anymore? Look at that face. That's how happy he is driving these cars. That's how happy you could be. So we've got brand new lock kits in these cars, so they are baller lock.
Demonstrated.
Swing her the other way. Look at this. So this is the FDF Raceshop Mantis angle kits, which we run in the Corvette and the Mustang. They are now on the 350s. So, I mean, in the interest of science, I think we need to test them out. He's a hard worker. So yeah, we're here, it's sunny, we got the cars, we got the lock kits. Let's make some promos.
So promo done.
Promo done.
Wrapped.
Well, The cars are wrapped. We're not wrapped.
Oh!
We've got like 15 minutes left until the noise curfew, so I just want to do some final testing.
Some more work.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to just, I mean, we can't clock off 50 minutes early. We've got to keep working.
I'll do overtime if you want.
You got to do overtime?
I'll do some overtime.
Overtime, yeah. I'm not, and you don't want to be paid for it? No, it's okay.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's the way it works.
But I think I just want to take one for a spin, just for, science, and not just for fun, and to make sure they're okay. So I'm going to hop in the car and do some skids. This one has a bit of a fruity exhaust on it, so I think it's going to sound nice.
Give it a rev.
So if you're thinking of going drifting and starting off, the best place is to learn at the Drift Games Experience, because you don't need a trailer, you don't need a car, you don't need to fuel it, you don't need to put tyres in, you just come down, have the crack, and it costs the same as a harness in a drift car. One thing I wouldn't recommend is that me and you generally are teaching people. I'm not sure if that's helping them at all.
I think
we're having a lot of fun.
I think I need to come and get taught myself, to be fair.
We're having a lot of fun, but I'm not sure if anyone's learning it. But we do. So I'm going to go for a little spin in this. They drive really nice, actually. So much loss.
That's gonna come up. There's smoke appearing in the cabin.
Oh, these are lovely to drive now. They are lovely to drive.
Working hard or hardly working?
Do you know what's working? These cars.
They're unreal, aren't
They're so easy to drive.
They're very easy.
We'll do some rings.
Actually, I've been doing some scut marks there this morning, so you can add to them. This is my new scutting post.
This is your scutting post.
Yeah, look at this.
Did you do all that?
Yeah, I did all that. I'm laying my territory down here.
Hang on about like a dog gonna pee on your pole.
Hang on a second, wait. I don't want to be in the car for this. Why, are you coming over here as well?
Yeah, it's rings.
Absolutely send it. Adam, go sit on the button. The smile's there.
And you can do it with one hand because they're that easy to drive.
Look at the ring marks now. They're really progressing.
Eventually we'll have rubbed away all of the white markings in the paddock just at this spot, and then and we'll say nothing about it to Mondello unless they watch this video. Let's hope they don't.
You also have security cameras, Dave.
Yes, we were working. We were testing.
Working. Yeah,
We're working.
Business. Strictly business.
Josh, come and drive one of these. They're so much fun. Adam, get in and do a bit of filming. Do a bit of work.
See, Dave wouldn't genuinely not be a passenger with me.
No.
This can only go well for me because it can't go well for me. I can just make an absolute tit of myself.
Which is like usual.
This is what I do all the time. I say, I'll go test it out. My speciality is I go test the car and you can have a go after me. And the minute I get in the car, there's no tyres left.
And we go at it again.
Oh, I definitely need my seatbelt here with just lunatic driving.
I'm getting a reputation for braking stuff now, aren't I?
Well, a reputation kind of comes with braking stuff, what you do all the time.
And I'm a bad drifter, and even I can do this.
Look at the lean on him.
Should we get Davidus to do it?
Yeah, Davidus!
So it's pointless us driving them because we're class.
Do you know what I think would be good for this video? Is to show how expert Josh is at teaching people how to drift. when he's barely able to drift himself.
He actually said that in the car. He was like, I'm useless, so if I can do this, it's fine.
I think if you
That's
want,
what every teacher.
if you want a confidence booster, get in the car with Josh, let him teach you, and then be better than him within 20 minutes, and then you'll feel great for the day. So we've got one of our team members, David, who's going to come down, hop in with you, and you're going to teach him how to drift.
So now people are going to see how bad I am at drifting and how bad of a teacher I am in the same video. So you've had little to no experience in a car, but you've had sim.
Yeah.
No problem at all. So, handbrake, like when you change gear, you clutch, handbrake, and mash the throttle, let go of the wheel to let it counter steer itself, catch it at the right point, and then you go.
Perfect.
It's like the basics, you learn yourself. Alright, this is genuinely first attempt. We're going to start in this corner, so roll up here, and I'll tell you when to kind of, is it in second?
Yeah.
Okay. And go. Pick up some speed. Turn in, handbrake. No! You almost hit the cones! My bloody hat came off and everything. Let's try that again. Go past the cones, then initiate, turn in, handbrake, let go of the wheel, and then catch it, power. Go, 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 go. Handbrake! Go, go, go! Go! Power, 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 power! Jeez! Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Turn in, handbrake, drag it! Full throttle! No! Brake, brake! I get this one, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Go, 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 go. Handbrake! Go, power! Another window! Another window! There you go.
A natural.
And that is fact that sim racing does translate.
I would say it was absolutely nothing to do with the teacher.
I would say it's everything to do with the teacher right there.
I could hear you screaming from around here outside.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good of a teacher was I? 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest.
Choose your words wisely.
I don't know. Adam's staring daggers at me now, so I'd say an 8.
An 8? I've never been an 8 at anything in my life. See, I taught him and now he's flourishing. He's off on his own. If he crashes now, this is nothing on me. Do it! Go, power, power! That's what you need to do, shout power.
The only time you've seen an 8 is when it's out of 100.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so right now you can get on the Mondello Park website, you can book in, you can come down, hang out with us, see the cars. We usually bring down some of the road and drift cars as well if you want to check them out. It's a fun day in Mondello where you get to learn how to drift, have the crack, and we love doing it. It's great fun. Like, we get to see smiles on faces.
This is work.
We get to come and teach people and say we are educators.
Educators.
We have no qualifications.
I'm like a teacher, aren't I?
No qualifications at all to be a teacher.
You gotta spread the knowledge we don't have any.
I can't spell teacher.
Anyway guys,
knowledge.
just look, book in, come down, have some fun. Mondello Park website, we'll put a link in the description.
David, send it up. Donuts, donuts! Do it! Another window, I taught him that. Another window.
You taught him that? That's not in the curriculum. Alright guys, we are back in the garage and we promised you on this video that we have a big update. So a lot of things have been changing, a lot of things have been going on behind the scenes, and we apologize that we haven't been putting a whole lot of them into the videos because it's really hard for us to plan ahead of ourselves and get all that organized while still filming all the time. So we've been taking a little back seat from the filming. We're about to head to the British Drift Championship now in a couple of days, and we're pumped for it, we're ready for it. But always, with everything in drift games, we're trying to push the boundaries and see what we're doing next. So at the moment, we think the content that we're putting out is pretty okay. It's not amazing, and the reason being is that we've had a bit of a weird year. The cars haven't always worked the way we wanted them. Events have been kind of cancelled and on and off, and the first 6 months of our Games Changers project, everybody was locked down. We couldn't even leave our houses. So it's been a very strange 12 months. We've tried to do the absolute best we can. But now that things are opening up and things are becoming a little bit more free, we wanted to take drift games to the next level. We wanted to do stuff that nobody's ever done before and push the boundaries, because we're like one of those, that type of crew that says nothing's really ever good enough and we're always doing okay. We don't pat ourselves on the back a whole lot. We don't say, oh, we're amazing people because we did this and that. I think we would give ourselves about a 5 out of 10 for the last 12 months, but we want to aim for that 10 out of 10. And what we're going to do is absolutely mind-blowing, but it's taken a huge amount of time behind the scenes to get all the pieces of the puzzle together. It looks like today most of those pieces are in place. And we will be hearing all about that in probably the next month. We'll be just finalizing a couple of last details, but what I can say to you is big things are coming for Drift Games, bigger than we've ever done, starting in November, and we are mind blown about where things are going for Drift Games. But we just can't tell you right now because we don't want to let it all out of the bag and then for things to change. But let's just say it's very exciting. So if you stay tuned to the channel, stay tuned to our social media, we'll be giving you all the behind the scenes from the British Drift Championship and the Irish Drift Championship, which kicks off 2 weeks after the British Drift Championship. But even though we are doing those events and we're pumped for those events, we are looking at November and what's going on then and planning that right now. So we would love to be making more videos, we'd love to be doing a lot more content, but all of that planning takes a lot of time and it's kind of boring, and if we showed you, kind of give it all away. But we will be letting you guys know in October where the plan for this channel is going, and it's going to be very, very exciting. If you think the Games Changers project was a pretty big deal, this is like 5 times cooler than that and a lot more exciting for us. So we are really, really excited. So thanks for checking the video out, guys. I know this one's a little bit messy. We had a meet, we did a bit on the experience. We promise you guys the next couple of episodes are going to be all about drifting and BDC and testing and battles and all the good stuff. But bear with us, and thank you guys so much for watching the channel. We really appreciate everyone buying the merch, everyone staying with us, our sponsors. Everybody's been amazing this year. So we're trying to do you guys proud. We're trying to do you guys proud and build something up for the winter time that's even more entertaining and even more wild for you guys to watch and for us to do. So stay tuned. We got a lot of action coming your way, and thanks for checking out the channel once again and subscribing. We really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.